What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're hanging out at the shop. It's 90 degrees. I just did an oil change on the rocks. I'm a little bit dirty, and we're talking about something that's cleaning. When Eric saw this, I know he was jealous, and I know a lot of you right now right away are like, RYOBI, oh RYOBI, that's an entry-level brand, blah blah blah. You guys that are writing entry-level brands off are crazy, so I'm just gonna tell you guys just to leave right now because you don't even want to see this. But for those of you that are smart, value your dollar, and actually like to buy quality stuff for the money, take a look at this stuff, you guys. This is awesome. I mean, that's honestly, dude, RYOBI does not sponsor us. We're not sponsored by RYOBI in any means, right? Not for the contractor. Yeah, dude, even though a lot of contractors do use RYOBI, because especially around Chicago, because they're like, if it gets stolen or breaks or whatever, I can just buy another one. But I've seen some nailers and stuff out there that's been around for a long time.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so that you guys don't want to knock it, just go. It's fine. When we're not getting paid, not sponsored. But these are some of the coolest things ever. But I'm gonna let Eric talk.
Well, you actually used more of this stuff before. Like, I think this is actually new to market for them, and it's basically a scrubbing system, which battery powered, but you could use for so many things. Like you said, for a deck. You could do it for the side of your house. I mean, you could probably use this on your car. I don't know if it would do good for your car. What's it really for?
Well, on the carpets inside.
Carpets,
or
okay.
Truck bed or something like that, you know? I mean, we've all seen the drill brushes out there. What's the downside to drill brushes? Are great. They're awesome. They're inexpensive, and they go on any drill. But they're only for certain applications. Not applications where you need to, it's going to get soaked, right? Because what's getting soaked with it? Your drill.
Battery and your tool.
Unless you have like an IP-rated Panasonic drill or something, which actually didn't fare up too well one time when we talked
No, it really
about
didn't.
that.
It didn't.
These things are waterproof, you guys. IPX7, right?
Yeah, so you can submerge them up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes.
So basically, I could take this and I could put this in 3 feet of water for 30 minutes. That's a long time. So why would I need that? Swimming pool,
side of a boat, maybe if you're just, I don't know.
Yep.
You know.
And I know a lot of people are like, I'll just use hand power. That's fine. You can use hand power. But the great thing about these is, I'm going to show you right now, is the torque. They have like, this one's on. They only have one speed, you guys, but it's the massive torque. I'm gonna push this down on the table here. It's hard to get. Have you tried the torque test?
No, I didn't try the test.
Try to make that stop.
Wow.
I'm gonna give you $100 if you can make that stop without pushing the power button.
What about taking the battery out?
No.
Wow. Yeah.
Just like that. Just like that, I made $100.
No. You said I would get $100.
Well, dude, but
no, I didn't know it was gonna go the other way,
dude,
man.
You owe me $100.
Yeah, I'll pay you
Does
later.
Eric owe me $100 below?
Please say no. You gotta stick up for me because I don't have $100.
But this is the medium bristle brush. What if the medium bristle brush is just not working? Well, Eric, I don't know how it comes off, but it does. How does it come off?
Let's see.
I think it just pulls off, to be honest with you.
Doesn't pop back.
I know, it looks like it pops back.
Doesn't it?
We're just consumers just like you guys. We're seeing it for the first time. I did see it.
If someone didn't throw the directions away.
Oh, no. You know what it does? You hold there and you twist it. So hold and twist it. So it's like an arbor. It's like an arbor lock. So I don't know if you guys can see that. That right there.
You gotta push down or something?
No, hold that chuck like an arbor lock.
Oh. So I just gotta work out is what you're saying.
You just gotta work out.
Nice.
But they have like, this is the medium bristle. They have hard and light bristles and stuff like that. And then to put it on, it's just, you put it on, hold that arbor and twist lock.
That's pretty cool. I like that.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. And another cool thing is this one is an extendable pull version, and it actually extends. And you can move it to the way you want. So if, like Eric said, if you are working on the side of a boat, you don't want to get in the water. But this is great for like windows or siding or something like that. Same waterproof situation.
Even decks, like I know, like when you're cleaning a deck or something like that, you can spray that chemical stuff on there, and it's just nice. You're not bending down, going on your knees trying to do it. You can just stand up and clean it off. I think that's a cool idea.
Yeah, how long is this one? Do you know?
I don't. It's on that one.
Telescoping, 51 inches, you guys, so you can reach high areas. 6th position head on the front. The IPX. It says 2 hours of runtime with a 4.0 battery,
which is impressive. You wouldn't think that. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
that's a long time for a 4 amp hour battery.
Yeah, I mean, you saw how hard it was for him to push on something. So let's say.
But I was also the guy who didn't have the power to take it off. So
I know something's wrong with you, man, because you're usually working out all the time.
Everyone tells there's always something wrong with me. I hear that a lot.
Time to get checked out, Eric.
I know.
So basically, you guys, if you had this hard one though, I mean, think about it, scrubbing your barbecue. If you had the hard one and you're pushing with all that pressure on the hard one, I mean, dude, you can't equal that kind of pressure with your hands.
No.
Because you got the rotation happening. And granted, you're not going to push that hard that often, right? So I think
No, but
that's,
it's nice, you know, what you can do when the thing doesn't bog down on you. That's what
yeah,
I like, you know.
yeah, like this would be awesome for like SUVs in the back, you know, after you scrubbed it, just to go back and forth, up and down. It would leave really nice marks. Or you got to scrub some carpet in the corner of your house, use this in a shop vac and some hot water, boom, you got yourself an instant carpet cleaner. And they also have those that's a 9 volt,
4 volt,
4 volt version, you guys, which is USB powered. So basically, you just put in a micro USB right there into any outlet or whatever.
They don't charge the battery for you.
Yeah, and same thing here. Just little brush heads. And here's what I was talking about. So like you could, if you wanted to be super inexpensive, go buy this little brush head. It's a hex head. It'll work on any impact driver or drill. Granted, I don't know if an impact driver is gonna, you know, tear that off of there or whatever, but same thing with this. Try to stop that, Eric. That one might. It's only 4 volt.
That's cool. Do you even put like your wheels in your car or something?
Yeah, I
Or
actually did it for my mats.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Detailer, or even, there's so many places in a car.
Okay, so it stopped. So 4 volts, but that's okay. Still, that's a massive.
Well, still,
scrubbing
that's a
power.
lot of, you know, it's putting a lot of pressure on there.
Yeah, personally, you guys, I'm real happy with this stuff. I think RYOBI is killing it with this. I think RYOBI is awesome. You could get it at the Home Depot. It's just, you know, if you have that RYOBI battery pack, there's something in the RYOBI line that you want. And that's what's cool about RYOBI. They're not your typical tool brand like Milwaukee, DeWalt. I mean, maybe Milwaukee and DeWalt are going to come out with this cleaning stuff too eventually. I don't know. But I mean, this stuff honestly really does feel good quality to me. And I just love that they're going into these applications. Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, everybody. You get them one of these. Father's Day is coming up, right? Get them one of these. The guy is going to love it. What's the prices on these?
So you got $99 for this one, $69 and $49, and each one they come with a 3-year warranty. So
yeah, so Mother's Day, Father's Day, this is a great gift, you guys. Under 50 bucks. This is something that's going to last forever. Since it's lithium, they can throw it in a drawer and they don't use it in a year. It's still going to operate, right?
Yep.
So, all right, what can we get Eric to clean? Let's go find something Eric clean. All right, you guys, peace out. I want to know what you guys think. Comment below, you know. Seriously, you guys, if you're just going to sit there and say RYOBI sucks because it's entry level or anything
if you say
like that.
RYOBI sucks, honestly, I don't think you've tried it because we've done a lot of RYOBI over the years.
Right.
And I'm fully impressed. I think you get a lot of professional features for not the cost.
For
You get a
DIY.
good tool. Yeah, exactly. You get a good tool, and you can buy them at, you know.
Yeah, and not everything's perfect.
No,
you might have got a
no
RYOBI tool that
tools.
didn't hit the mark or something like that. But this stuff, honestly, rubber overmolded grip, lightweight. I mean, it just feels nice in your hand. It's got good aesthetics. And I think, obviously, I know that doesn't, you know, aesthetics is nothing, the longevity. Well, we're going to try them out. We're going to work with them. And generally, RYOBI has that 3-year warranty. They're available at Home Depot. You buy this thing, you have a, I mean, Home Depot has like, I don't know, it's like 3 months out, isn't it? You can return.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah,
For,
90
I don't
days,
know, 90
yeah.
days. You have like 90 days to return. So within 90 days, if something happens, and you're going to know right away. When you first pick this up and use it, the power is just going to blow you away. Peace!
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.